The Community Development Block Grant, or CDBG program, is a federally funded initiative designed to help states, counties, and cities support nonprofit organizations and government agencies in building strong, viable communities. The program focuses on providing safe and decent housing, suitable living environments, and expanded economic opportunities. Grants from the CDBG program must be utilized by nonprofit organizations and municipalities to enhance the quality of life for all residents, particularly those with low and moderate income levels. Awardees are required to develop strategies that unite partners and resources, leverage funding, and build upon community assets. This video aims to provide our nonprofit and municipal partners interested in applying for funding with clear, step-by-step guidance for the application process. The CDBG program is managed by the Prince George's County Department of Housing and Community Development, or DHCD, and has received approximately $5 to $6 million in funding to support projects in 5 key categories: affordable housing, economic development, public facilities and infrastructure, public services, and planning and administration. Before starting the application process, please take a moment to review the comprehensive instructions for the CDBG application provided by DHCD. Make sure to go through the entire set of instructions and complete the following documents. 1. The CDBG requirements checklist. 2. The project readiness form. And 3. The project overview. Utilizing these documents will help ensure that you have all the necessary information to submit a complete application. The CDBG application requires applicants to clearly outline their project goals. Describe how your project will meet one of the following 3 national objectives: benefit low and moderate income, or LMI, persons, aid in the prevention or elimination of slums or blight, and address a need of particular urgency, referred to as urgent need. They must also align with Prince George's County's goals and objectives. Next, applicants must outline their program's objectives and beneficiaries, including 1. Program details. Applicants must detail their program's objectives and beneficiaries. 2. Experience and capability. Provide information on your organization's experience and capability to complete a CDBG-funded project based on prior work in the community. 3. Outcomes and performance measures. Evaluate anticipated outcomes based on the Housing and Urban Development's, or HUD's, national objectives and the county's 5-year consolidated plans, goals, and outcomes. 4. Collaboration and resource leverage. Demonstrate your organization's ability to collaborate with other organizations and effectively leverage resources. 5. Financial position. Include your organization's current fiscal year budget to illustrate your financial status, along with a completed activity schedule that outlines the project's activities and implementation timeline. 6. Conflict of interest policies. Complete the provided conflict of interest questionnaire to address your organization's policies regarding conflict of interest at the federal, state, and local levels. All of this information is essential for completing an environmental review. Some key points to remember when you are applying for the CDBG funding. 1. Thoroughly read the application. 2. Follow the instructions carefully. 3. Provide complete and concise information about your project and your organization. 4. Rank submissions by priority. Submit only 1 application per project, and each of those in a separate email. 5. Include all required supporting documentation. 6. Email a signed copy of your application to cdbgcpd@co.pg.md.us. And lastly, meet the submission deadline. Please note that some applications may be marked ineligible for funding by DHCD, so DHCD encourages applicants to read the CDBG instructions carefully. Please know that DHCD's CDBG staff are available to assist with any questions about the application process, and each fall the CDBG team holds a technical workshop to review the application process prior to announcing CDBG funding availability. This year's workshop will take place in early October. To stay updated on all the announcements related to CDBG and DHCD, please subscribe to the county's notification service. This is a free service designed to keep you informed about current activities within DHCD. Thank you for your interest. DHCD appreciates your efforts to meet the needs of the residents in Prince George's County, and we look forward to hearing from you.